Hey handsome peeps out there, this is Tasnim and welcome to my channel. Today I filmed a get ready with me for my sister's birthday party. It is a pinkish nudish look that is very appropriate for daytime, very wearable and also easy to recreate. Stay tuned till the end to know my dresses details and also my shoes. Make sure to follow me on my social medias to stay updated, and also if you want any product reviews, comment below because I do that on my Instagram, and also links of my social medias will be provided in the description box. Like this video, comment, share and subscribe, all the formalities for more such videos, and let me know your feedback. And without any further ado, let's get started. I'm starting off with my Dr. Brandt luminizer primer. I'm going to dot it around my face and then blend it in using my fingers. This is a luminizing primer, so it will provide a glow to my face. For today's video, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy+Smooth foundation in the shade 240. I'm going to blend it in using my beauty blender after I'm done dotting it around my face. And I'm an NC40, you guys, if you guys were wondering. And for today's video, I tried to keep the video clips of me blending and applying because I saw in many videos I didn't, so yeah. I'm going to trace my brows using my e.l.f. brow pencil in the shade dark brown. Taking the spoolie section, I'm going to comb through it, and then taking the pencil side, I'm going to trace from the bottom part and then go to the outer corners, draw a small arch, and then finally trace in the upper part and spoolie it again. I'm not going to conceal them because I wanted a more natural effect. Now taking my Hoola bronzer and a contour brush from Real Technique, I'm going to contour the hollows of my cheeks and then my temples as well as my jawline, and also contour my nose slightly using a blending brush. I'm now just blending away those harsh edges. Now I'm going to set under my eyes using a setting powder. I'm so sorry I lost a clip of me showing the product, but it will be mentioned in the description box. I'm now taking my e.l.f. blush palette in the shade dark, taking the upper two blushes in a non-branded brush. I'm going to apply it to the hollows of my cheeks and then drag it slightly upwards. Taking the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, I'm going to sprit it in my face so that the base is long lasting. Now taking my ABH Modern Renaissance palette and that brown shade in a blending brush, I'm going to apply it to my crease and build this color up until I am satisfied. I'm taking the shade Love Letter in a blending brush, but I wasn't satisfied with the pigment with that brush, so I took my Kala's blending brush, which is much more smaller and a bit flat. I'm going to build this color up until and unless I'm satisfied with the pinkishness going on in my eyes. Taking the shade Venetian Red in a smaller blending brush, which was a mistake because it applied other color which was already present in that brush. And then taking the Kala blending brush again, I'm going to apply the shade Venetian Red under my eyes. I'm here connecting the shade Venetian Red with the upper waterline, and then taking that pinkish sparkly shade with the help of my pinky finger, I'm going to apply it to my inner corners for a pop of color. I applied too much, so I blended it in. Taking my Golden Rose Plumping Mascara, I'm going to apply a coat of it to my upper lashes, and I'm not going to apply it to the bottom lashes because I didn't want it to smudge, that's why. And that is the finished eye look. Now taking my Jordana Sweet Cream lipstick in the shade Tiramisu, I'm going to apply it to my lips. Now again spraying my whole face with the setting spray so that everything is locked in, and then pressing it in using a beauty blender. Now I'm going to apply a bit of perfume. Then doing my usual hairstyle, that is taking 2 strands of hair from the front and then clipping it at the back. So here is the final view of the dress. This is the August dress from the summer collection. I decided to wear it on my sister's birthday party and not on Eid, so that my whole family could be matching. And also I paired it with some silver heels with a pink shift to it. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment below if you want me to film more such get ready with me's, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Toodles.
प्यार जैसे